Hi, Mike Stein from the Center for Teaching Excellence. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of Google Slides. First, we'll look at how to sign into Slides. Then we'll create a new slide deck. We'll change the theme, insert media, insert links, insert animations. Then we'll look at how to present your slides. And finally, we'll look at how to share your slides. Let's get started. To sign into Google Slides, go to your URL bar of your browser and type in slides.google.com. Then click Enter. You'll then be brought to the Google sign-in page. Sign in with your HCC email. This will bring you to the HCC login page. Log in with your HCC username and your password. Then click Sign In. You will then be brought to the Google Slides homepage. Now let's create a slide deck. To create a slide deck, click the blank button at the top left of the screen. You can give your presentation a name by clicking in the Untitled Presentation field and typing in a name for your presentation. To change the theme of your slides, in the Themes sidebar, click on a thumbnail to apply the theme to your presentation. You can find even more custom themes at slidesgo.com or Slidesmania. But for now, let's stick with the theme we have on Google Slides. To insert media, click Insert at the top of the screen to open the Insert menu. You can then insert an image by hovering over Image and then clicking either Upload from your computer or Search the web. In this case, let's search the web. In the Google Images panel, type in a keyword to search for and hit Enter. Click on the image you'd like to insert, then click Insert at the bottom. This will insert the image into your slide. You can resize your image by dragging on the corners of the image. If you'd like to insert a video, the process is the same. Go to Insert, and then instead of Image, click Video. You can now search YouTube directly from here. Once you've found the video you'd like to insert, click on the video, then click Select to insert it. You can click and drag to move the video, and drag the corners to resize it. Now let's insert a link. First, let's insert a new slide. To do this, click on the plus button up at the top left. To insert a link, type the text of your link. Then, select the text you'd like to make a link. Right-click on the text, and select Link from the drop-down menu. Then type the URL you'd like to link to. Then click Apply. Now let's insert an animation. Let's return to the slide where we have our image and video. If you'd like to animate an image, click on the image, and then click Insert, and select Animation from the drop-down menu. This will automatically add a fade-in animation to your image. You can change the animation by clicking on Fade In and selecting another animation from the drop-down. If you'd like to preview your animation, click the play button. Now, when I click on the slide, my image will zoom in. Clicking again will cause the video to play. Click Stop to end the animation preview. Now let's add a title and we can present our presentation. To add a title, click in the Click to Add Title field and type in a title. To present your slides, click the Present button at the top of the screen. You can now present your presentation. To end your presentation, press the Escape key on your keyboard. If you'd like to share your slides, click the Share button at the top right of the screen. You can share your slides with a specific person by adding their email in the field here. However, sometimes it may be easier to just get a link to your presentation and share the link with your students or your colleagues. To get a link, click the Get Link button. This will generate a link to your presentation. However, right now, it's restricted, meaning only people I add Up here at the top, we'll be able to open this link. To change this, click the Restricted button, and then select anyone with the link. You can now adjust the permissions by clicking Viewer and selecting an option from the list. Viewer means that anyone with the link will be able to view your presentation, but will not be able to comment or edit the presentation. Commenting means the viewer will be able to view and comment on your presentation, but will not be able to edit the presentation directly. Editor is the most open and will allow the person to edit your presentation freely. In this case, I'll leave it as Viewer. Now that we have adjusted our link settings, click Copy Link, and your link will be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste your link on Canvas or in an email to send to someone else. When you're finished, click Done. If you'd like more help with Google Slides, send an email to imfacultylab@howardcc.edu. Thanks for watching.